Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we are going to look at the number 5 neighborhood in the Kingston and St. Andrew area, and number 5 is Beverly Hills. So we're going to take a quick tour of Beverly Hills and show you the area. Well, we're going to be counting down the top 5 areas in the Kingston and St. Andrew area. So this is Beverly Hills, which is number 5. Now every year a list comes out of the top neighborhoods in Jamaica, and we're going to be going off that list. Now Beverly Hills is naturally it's on a hill. It's right above the Ligani area, and you have a wonderful view of the city from up here. Now the homes in this area, the older homes probably start at about 70 million, and the newer homes could go for as much as $1 million US. Straight ahead is some construction. I'm not sure, but I'm going to guess it's apartments or townhouses. It's very rare that people build homes these days. I must say, these are some very nice roads. I mean, there's no white line, but you can tell that these roads were paved recently. This is how all the residential areas should look. Very nicely done. I'll never understand why is it so hard to put in these white lines. Well, this area has probably the best roads for a residential area I have driven on in a while. Dead end. Okay, it looks like there is some construction going on. We're going to check it out. As you can see, they have some very nice homes in Beverly Hills. Huge. Very nice. are going on to Shenstone Drive. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.